Funky D. Good day, everybody, and welcome back once again to Funky D's news time. Ladies and gentlemen, before we go into the news, what I got for now today, for those of you who never subscribed before, make sure to subscribe. I say make sure to share, and make sure not forget to press that bell sign so that anytime when Funky D uploads, you now first get my video. All right. Today the issue when we want to talk in general, now the issue when concern freedom. Freedom. You know, if they talk about freedom, all of us know what freedom mean. And as Nigeria, day to day, ladies and gentlemen, we cannot find freedom. We cannot find peace. And we cannot find unity. Do you understand the situation of the country today when we say the northern part of the country, that is the Fulanese? Long time when these people don't make up their mind for the separation of the zoo. Not be today, ladies and gentlemen. Long time when these people don't already make up their mind that we are not going to be together. Now only the Southerners, when it can be like say their head not a function, now only them. Now them they do themselves. I mean, we will not be the Fulanese or the Hausa people. This is not about discrimination, or this is not about say somebody won't just let some group of or some set of people down in the country. No, the Fulanese, the Northerners, even since 1999, they don't separate themselves long ago by making the 12 states of the North, by making them a Sharia states. That one alone don't teach our people lessons, amen. These people, they don't go long time. Do you understand? That Sharia of a thing is not even in our constitution. Now these same people, now then they come and they talk, say, oh, you get one part of the constitution when they think they for one corner, therefore, then go aim was to put them for their people. So, and they succeeded to put it for their people. Now, that is why I say since 1999, ladies and gentlemen, now him, the Northerners don't tell the South and the Southwest and the Southeast, same men, they're not there together. And they're not waste time because, you know, the time when Nigeria born what they call democracy, that is the same 1999, ladies and gentlemen. You know the hear word, now him, the northern part of the country talk, see, they must to implement Sharia. So therefore, they don't already go their way. Because if you look the whole part of Nigeria, now only northern part, they practice Sharia. Sharia not good for anybody. Sharia not good for you. Sharia not good for me. Sharia not good for the ladies. Sharia not good for the women. Sharia not good for nobody, ladies and gentlemen. So these people, they don't make up their mind by, implementing Sharia in the 12 states of the country. So why are we still together today? You understand? This thing now when happened now 20 years back, since 1999, now him, they make up their mind, say, they no go ever, that is 2 decades ago, they no go ever be, with Nigerian people again. They are not part of Nigeria. These people, they are part of Arabic nation. They are not a part of Nigeria because we, when be Nigerians, the real Nigerian people, when we say now we get that Nigeria, you get, we know they practice Sharia. So if these people don't implement Sharia in the 12 states, meaning they have already separated from us. So what are we doing together with this set of the caliphate? So ladies and gentlemen, in fact, this is a very, 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 very big problem to Nigerian people. This thing happened October 27, 1999. Now, one governor of Zamfara State, ladies and gentlemen, one governor they call Ahmed Sani Yarima. Now, that man introduce Sharia law to the 12 states of the country. Now then first introduce them from Zamfara state. And that's Zamfara where they fight the kid themselves today till tomorrow. You understand? Now the man they call Yarima. Okay? Ahmed Sani Yarima. Now introduce Sharia come the northern part of the country. Today, the man not there for power again, no. Make you know, say, make you see the kind of evil when some people they introduce, because before that 1999, Nigeria don't know, I mean the northern part of the country, they don't know what they call Sharia. In fact, after these people, after this man don't implement his own, then they come move, the thing come move, go Kaduna, Kano. You understand? And so many other part of the state, of the northern states, when they come be say that they can implement their own. Before you know what will happen, the thing don't spread everywhere. So what the thing when we talk today now about the freedom of our people, the freedom of Nigeria. Now that one funky D, day. You understand? So my saying that I'm not going to be part of the Nigeria, the part of Nigeria when they talk about, now the part of Nigeria when we see the caliphate, then they involve. All these governors and they involve. All these criminals when we get in Nigeria now, they involve. That kind of Nigeria when I talk, see, I don't want make with the, that is, I not belong to Nigeria again. Nigeria with all these kind of people. Nigeria with Hesmin and Boko Haram. Nigeria with the Caliphate. Nigeria with people like Ojozo Okalo, people like Okorocha, people like all these Northern Kabas, people like all the whole APC and PDP. That is the kind of Nigeria that we have to reject. And that is the kind of Nigeria that I am not standing for. You understand? You understand? Anything that will bring peace, anything that will bring freedom, full-time freedom of Nigerian people, either by Nnamdi Kanu or by Omoyele Sowore, I stand by these two people 100%. You understand? The Nigeria that will bring peace and progress, the Nigeria that will bring prosperity, the Nigeria that that we will eradicate all this caliphate, the Nigeria that, in fact, that we will never be, in fact, anything apart from that Nigeria with freedom of speech, freedom of expression, we are not part of it. Me particularly, I'm not part of it. If Nnamdi Kanu, he go take for that peace to reign, either by separation, either by the freedom of the people of Biafra, yes, we stand for Nnamdi Kanu 100%. If Nada Sowore to bring peace to that nation, you understand? Without these people, without APC and PDP, without killing, without all this caliphate, without all these people that are doing evil in our nation, yes, we will stand with Sowore 100%. I will stand with Sowore 100% if Sowore can bring peace to that country. You understand? If Sowore can take it back, we all take it back together. If Nnamdi Kanu will be able to grab the freedom of Biafran people, yes, we will assist him to fight for it. Yes, we will follow him. Yes, we will queue on his lane. Now these two people, we stand for. Whether it comes, whether both parties come together, whether Sowore and Nnamdi Kanu come together, or they fight separately, fine. So far, there is freedom. So far, there is peace. So far, there is progress and prosperity in the land. But the Nigeria, with the caliphate, with the terrorist people, with this Northern Kabas, with this APC and PDP involved in the same Nigeria, ladies and gentlemen, that one is the one that we don't even want to see. Particularly me, when be funky D. Do you understand? Because we still there under slavery, under these people, what they call the Fulani Caliphate. They are the people already. They don't tell us say we not be one by implementing Sharia. As soon as the military, ladies and gentlemen, make una dey hear. As soon as the military people leave Nigerian people alone, so the Northerners take implement Sharia in the 12th northern state of the same 1999, October 27. So, how it come be now say, then Nnamdi Kanu and the Biafran people in general, they won't go. Then, the Northerners, they say, no, they no go. But when then they implement, that is the Sharia law, meaning say, then they on their own, because we are not the same. So, why can't be say, the Biafran people now, they really won't go on their own, then these same northern people, when we say they not get anything, these same caliphate people, when we say nothing when they get in that country, they can say, no, we must continue to the oppressed owner. But, ladies and gentlemen, do you know the reason why these people, they see they succeed in everything what they do? But I don't tell them, say every day for the thief, one day for the owner of the house. The reason why I don't check them, I don't calculate. This past 2019, ladies and gentlemen, I don't calculate far and wide. I can say, we not go they blame the government on this matter. The matter of this separation. The people when be the problem. The people when be the main source of the problem when we get in that Nigeria. When it come be say today, this northern see the oppressors, not the youth. Now there I don't conclude. Now the people in the country. People in the country then when be Nigeria, now them be the problem why Nigeria not they progress. Now them be the problem why today the Biafran people never still go. Because they not get common sense. Because they say now they are oppressors. Now they go they like, they go. Now they go they follow, they chant. They happy for. I mean people when they oppress them. So whether now the lawyers, so whether now the judge, whether now the minister, whether now the this is what they call the entertainers, that is the celebrities and the filmmakers or normal Nigerian people or traders or Kada people, the problem when we get now this set of people, not be the government. The problem when we get now the people in the land of that country they call Nigeria. Just like this same issue of Biafra, the people when they hinder, and ladies and gentlemen, when we need to uproot from grassroots, now the people that come from in Biafra land. The people inside Biafra land, now them be the problem of this Biafra not coming yet. But I guarantee you people, when we see na una there, they saboteur everything, left and right, forth and back. I say I guarantee you now, Biafra will soon come. So, ladies and gentlemen, my conclusion be say, freedom is freedom. Whether the freedom come from Nnamdi Kanu, fine. Whether it come from Sowore, fine. That is why before, I make some videos before, when I come to talk, say, Nnamdi Kanu and Sowore have to come together. All the time. Now Sowore is still out now. Thank God for his life. Thank God say Sowore don't come out. To make video, they tell people say, Nnamdi Kanu and Sowore have to come together. Now, we don't see Oduduwa people, some of them don't they come out, but we're not sure. We are not sure because Nigeria is so corrupt. People inside that Nigeria, they are very, very corrupt. Whether they come from north to, whether they come from south to, whether they come from west to, whether they come from anywhere where they come from, they are very, very corrupt people. You understand? So we cannot continue to live the way we are living. We cannot continue to live with these our oppressors. All of us get one common enemy when be these people, when they be the APC and PDP. It's not only the cabal, because you can generalize all of them as cabal. APC and PDP people, they are the common enemy of Nigerian people. That is why you see things are like this. That is why you see Nigeria is not progressing. There is no unity. There is no peace. There is no love. There is nothing. Unemployment, radicalism, terrorism, everywhere. Now the same APC and PDP, now them be the problem of Nigerian people. Then the people, when they hinder the actualization of Biafra, now people, they scatter everywhere. The people, when they hinder, when still they continue to chant this one Nigeria, now the APC and PDP alone. And still, with the people, when we say their head, their brain, not correct. Now them be the people, when we say, now them be the problem when we get today. So for us to defeat these people, meaning we have to come together. For us to actualize the sovereignty of Biafra, or for Biafra to become a sovereign nation of its own, people have to unite together. Do you understand? It gets some people when still dey there, some go talk go that way, some go talk go this way. That's why you see there is problem in that problem. The only time now when Funkidi say we go fit actualize, either Sowore take it back or Nnamdi Kanu lead his people back home. Now between now, even before 2023. Otherwise, once it's out 2023, ladies and gentlemen, you remember these people, these radical politicians, they will still do their wuru-wuru election and they will still put somebody there. And there it will still become a huge problem for any kind of freedom you are fighting. Now when the B say we don't know the thing when Northerners they up to, we don't know say Northerners they don't want only them won't hold down the power. No only them won't do like saying that them be afar when they done Nigeria. Ladies and gentlemen, now when we don't know their secret, we don't know what thing they are up to and what thing they can do and the things where they're not fit to, we don't know everything. Ladies and gentlemen, now from now, any freedom when they agitate for, now from now to that 2023, we will get that freedom. Otherwise, these people, they can still begin to do their wuru-wuru and put somebody there. Now the matter when I get for now today be that I say Northerners, you don't think when they tell Nigerian people say on our own, because since 20 years ago now that is 1999. As soon as military give up, they are ghost to Nigerian people. I mean, as soon as the birth of democracy, now so Northerners implement Sharia law. Then no say not be only them did that nation, but they just tell you, they just use that move to tell you, say, then they on their own. They are Sharia people. We are not in one nation. So why they not allow Biafra to go? Again, we not speak the same language. We not do anything, nothing in common. Nothing at all, ladies and gentlemen. So it is time for everybody to stand up and fight for the same freedom. Whether the freedom come from Sowore, fine. Whether it come from Nnamdi Kanu, fine. So far, this APC and the PDP people, they're not there in that nation again as a political party. In as far as APC they and PDP did there. Ladies and gentlemen, Nigeria is doomed forever. So we have to support Sowore. We have to support Nnamdi Kanu. Both of them are fighting for freedom. And freedom is freedom. Freedom not get two ways. Now one freedom. You understand? So that's why I say we either support, as if they support Nnamdi Kanu, at the same time they support Sowore. If they support Sowore, at the same time they support Nnamdi Kanu, because these two people, they are fighting for the same freedom. We know say Nnamdi Kanu they fight freedom for him people, so that thing go take him people go. Now the same freedom. That's why we have to support him. Because if Biafra succeed to go, ladies and gentlemen, other people will still succeed to go. They will still get their freedom from this caliphate. That's why I say we have to support. If we are supporting Nnamdi Kanu, at the same time, if Sowore still continue to fight for the freedom, we have to still support Sowore. If Sowore take him today now, the same thing, other people go still go. Then go get the grant to negotiate well for the Biafra. If na Sowore first take him. Then if na Nnamdi Kanu first take him, then go still get the grant, then the other people go leave. Because na Nnamdi Kanu So that is why I say make we dey support these two people. Make we not dey discriminate, because that discrimination wey they discriminate now make the unity when not still dey. Now make the northerners that see they control us today. And they feel say we na their own cow. And we not say, in fact, they say we not be anything. Then they value their cow pass you when be human being, because you see if they want buy you see people when they sell the people when they sell children, they sell, you know, as they sell in Nigeria there. So would they hear the story, would they read the story, would they watch them? People they sell children like 200 naira, so they sell 3,000, so they sell 10,000, so they sell 20,000. But if you want buy cow na 500,000. That's why you see the northerners come be like say they value their own cow pass you. That's why they don't respect you. So we have to, you know, liberate ourselves totally from these oppressors. We have to liberate ourselves totally from anybody when they support all these caliphates. You understand? Now my idea be that too. I don't know what you think about this video. Ladies and gentlemen, if you got anything when you want yarn, anything when you want talk, anything when you want write, oh yeah, on my comment section. You understand? I know say as soon as they write, me self, I still they learn they go. As soon as they listen to me self, I still they learn they go. You understand? So God bless you all, and you know, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share my video. One love.